Since the beginning of times, one animal has amazed humans. This animal sings beautiful songs. It lives on every continent, continent,
Continent.
continent of the planet. It comes in different sizes and colors. It's from different tastes, suggested new technologies to human inventors like airplane. What animal it is? It is the bird. The bird. But life is not always easy for these winter creatures, and people are often to blame. Today's spotlight on birds and the problem they face. We will also look at how people are rotating birds. Birds are amazing animals, but populations are very sensitive,
Sensitive.
sensitive. Many things can affect them, and for the past 50 years, populations of birds in many areas have been growing smaller. Some scientists have said that up to 20% of bird species are in danger.
Species.
Species are in danger of dying off. This means that many kinds of birds may soon disappear. But what is causing bird population to grow? Scientists say that there are many reasons why this is happening, but the main reason is lost habitat.
Habitat.
Habitat. The birds are closing their homes. Birds live in different kinds of places, in forests and fields, villages and cities. But when these areas change, the birds have to change too. People change this habitat in many ways, but by cutting down forests, by making new farmland, by building cities and roads in new places. These are not a way but activities, but they do change the area for birds. Some birds react well, for example, some birds live very well in cities, but others do not. Others do not. They cannot find new places to make their homes, nest, nest, nest,
Nests.
nests. So they may stop breeding and having babies. They may not be able to find the usual kinds of food, and often they also lose the usual kinds of rotation. They can no longer hide in their usual places. Acidic plants, while plants grow smaller, and there are fewer places for some kinds of birds to live. Another problem facing birds is change in temperature. Change in temperature is change. Many birds migrate
Migrate.
migrate migrate as the seasons change. They travel from the cold area to warmer areas. But global warming is changing this. As winter became warmer, birds migrate at different times and to different places. Birds depend on particular foods when they arrive at a new place. If the birds arrive too early, the food may not be there. This is a big problem for birds. Many birds eat only very particular foods, That is one reason birds have many different shapes of and size. Some birds have long thin legs to help them when cleavage for flower. Other birds have strong red beaks for breaking open seeds and nuts. Many birds only eat a few particular things. If these things, such as plant or insect, disappear, then so do the birds. But birds are not only affected by large problems like global warming and changing habitats. Smaller things can also affect birds. Scientists have found that light from cities can affect birds. Large cities create a lot of heat and a lot of light. At night, skies are skies
Skies.
skies are bright around many cities, and this light affects migrating migrate
Migrating.
migrating birds. Migrating birds. But the light is not the only problem. The glass city buildings are dangerous to birds. When birds migrate, they travel along particular paths. These paths are often placed on the sky from the moon and stars. But when the bird comes close to large cities, these paths must change. The birds light, the bright lights of the tall city buildings pull the bird pull the bird of the path. Sometimes the bird rush into the building at night, but even if they do not hit the building, they may become lost. They may fly around the building until they become very tired. In the morning, they try to escape the city, but the buildings are still dangerous. Birds cannot see glass rail often. They will fly right into glass windows. Jonas Rockets worked for a group called Protect Bird Safe in Monestora. She talked about her work with a local radio station. We are working with the building owners, managers, workers to get the light turned off. They will let the birds migrating through the path over without getting trapped in the city. More cities around the world are turning the lights off during migration season. This will give birds a better chance at staying on the right path. But turning life off is not the only way people are helping birds. In Kazakhstan, scientists are recovering land that were damaged by coral. This area is now a good place for birds to live. This is part of a larger plan by international groups to protect bird areas. For example, all over Asia, people are working with government officials to protect homes of water birds. Around the world, groups are also protecting birds in important bird areas. Or IPA. An IPA is a special area of land. Birds depend on this area for raising their babies. They depend on this area for food. And migrating birds depend on this area as a safe place to stop along their travels. Laws do not force land owners to protect the IBA land. Most land owners choose to protect the ABA because they know what these areas are special and important. But what makes this area important to be an IBA? An area must meet particular conditions. For example, an IBA mangrove